So today we're just going to do a quick test of the Starlink here in Brisbane, connecting our Tesla Model Y up to the Starlink through wireless. So we've named this Starlink after our rental company, Tesla Taxi, and the password we've made it really tricky, Tesla 1 2 3 4. And once this is connected, we'll see whether we can do a quick speed test on the actual computer inside the car, which I think will work alright. It's currently quite windy outdoors, but we've got it set up on the roof of the car in a fairly stable position, so hopefully it won't blow over while we're doing this test. Go to our browser. Go to Google for a speed test. And so it's getting over 80 down, which is about the same as I was getting out of the iPad on the back. Excuse me, the iPad at the back of the car where the charger and where the inverter is for the Starlink. The speeds I just got from the iPad were a little bit better than this. They were up around 15 for the upload, so it could be that the satellite position has changed, or it could be in fact just that the car itself isn't able to do the same speed of uploads. That's the position of the Starlink currently. teslataxi.com.au or theavking.com.au if you'd like to rent a Starlink or even a Tesla to run your Starlink anywhere in Australia from. Thank you.